Yeah, hello everyone. You're welcome to my channel. How are you today? My name is Adetokunbo Mike from the Genius FS. I'm here again with another video as we normally do. We are here to do what we know how to do best. To make you happy, like I always said, that your happiness is our joy. When you are smiling, definitely we are happy too. We are a strategy provider. Point of correction, some people do chatted and tell me that which one am I using. I am here to provide signal for people, beginners, intermediate and professional, for their comfortability. When you are winning, when you keep winning, definitely we are happy. We are giving out this strategy for free. You are the one that knows what suits you. You are the one that knows the kind of system, the kind of strategy that fit your trading system. So kindly pick one out of the videos and start winning. Do not be greedy. Yeah, today on this episode, I'll be teaching you a strategy using MACD with Alligator in the indicator window 1. It is very uncommon. It is very unbeatable strategy. Let's go. Here is the settings. You go to your F sign. First use a parabolic, MACD, envelope, and alligator with crazy settings. This is the envelope. We use one out of the 3 that we normally use. You click done. It's 0.0086, 0.0086. MACD 149, 150, 15. You apply to close any color of your choice, but mind you, here there is no color. We put it to white. Then this place we give it a very light color so that you will not be confused. You click done. You go to envelope. Here is your envelope. You set it the way it is on my chart. 5. The first one is 5. Deviation is 0.008. Then apply to linear weight. First indicator data. Any color of your choice, but mind you, let your color, your first one should be 4, and then your upper band should be 4, and the lower band should be 1. Do it the way it is. Then you click done. Alligator. There is no settings in Alligator. That is very unusual, but we change the settings here to smooth edge and then first indicator to align with the MACD. Any color of your choice, no level. Then you click done. Guys, this is how your chart will look like. It is very powerful. It is unbeatable. I call this one unbeatable mobile strategy. As you can see, once there is a crossover here, market will surely fall. Once there is a crossover, market will surely go up. As you can see, uptrend. Let me show you 4 hours. It works perfectly on every time frame. Let me show you 4 hours. As you can see, the cross has just begun at 4 hour level, and the market has started falling. Look at it here. Look at the cross. Here is your envelope, the one in green. The one in yellow, red, and blue is your alligator. And then on my chart here, we have what we call a parabolic. I mean this one, parabolic. These are the tools you needed. Once there is a crossover from the top here, you are expecting your market to reach this parabolic, hit it, and parabolic change direction towards up. Then you enter your trade, and market will continue to go in your direction. Guys, it works best on every time frame. This is daily. Look at what happened here. When the crossover occur around here, look at what happened. Market continue to move up. As you can see, there is continuation, but market is pulling back from the top around this place, around here. So when there is crossover here, at this level here, when there is crossover, market change direction towards uptrend. Watch it very, very carefully. When there is crossover, the move begins and continues to go in your favor. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. I remain myself, Adetokunbo from the Genius FS. If you know this video has done you good in one way or the other, kindly like, subscribe, and then share to the other people to benefit. Thanks for watching.